If your Payoneer account has been hacked, it is important to take quick action to protect your money. A hack account means someone else may have access to your payment information and could make unwanted changes. In this situation, you should contact Payoneer support immediately and ask them to secure your account. You should also contact Adobe stock support and inform them about the problem. Request them to temporarily hold your upcoming payment until your Payoneer account is recovered and safe again. This will help prevent your earning from being sent to unauthorized account. When contacting Adobe stock, provide your contributor details, register email address and explain that your Payoneer account was compromised. Adobe stock support can guide you on the next step and help you protect your payment. Always keep your Payoneer and Adobe account secure by using strong password and enabling two-step verification. Never share your login details, verification code or personal information with anyone. Taking immediately action can help protect your earning and recover your account safely. First, log in your Adobe stock contributor account. Then go to website. Then select a category, Payment, Text and Bonus Program. Then select subcategory, Cancel my payout request. Then submit your problem details. After complete all the steps, click Submit. Hope you understand. I have a request. If you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.